Okay, excuse the hair. I'm not in the van. It's the 5th of August and I'm back down in Winchester. That's where I am. Another night in good old Tesco's. The weather is not so good today. We've had glorious weather so far, but right now it's windy, it's rainy, it's crappy, it's Mark's been sending me through updates on the weather. I've even got a fleece on today. I haven't done a fleece on in the last month. Yeah, it's the weather's not as good. Let's hope it improves for Friday. Okay, it's Tuesday 6th of August and back on the boat. Some of the instruments behind me. Yeah, got on with a few bits and pieces yesterday, sorting out surveys, insurance. Weather's not looking brilliant for the weekend. Certainly not for the Friday or the Saturday, but Mark thinks we've got Sunday and Monday and Tuesday to get her back. So that's the window we're looking at the moment. Going to hook up some water today, get the taps working, go and get fuel, go and get an AIS probably. Maybe all be able to track us on the way home. I'll see you soon. Okay, here she is. I thought I might just give you a little walk around so you can see where we are, what we're going to be moving on. Okay, so start with the back, the stern. And come inside. Okay. The wheelhouse, where we'll be spending quite a few hours in the next week or so. It's going to be the main living space with a kitchen, sort of conservatory up above it. But yeah, lovely loads of room down here. Coming back up, the wheelhouse. And down we go. At the moment, little galley kitchen, but it's got everything we need. Absolutely fantastic. We've got our cooker, the kettles. I've got a fridge yet, but that'll be in soon. We've got our bathroom. So we've got all the facilities. We've actually got 2 bathrooms. I forgot to show you the other bathroom. I set up a little bedroom, but this also turns into a table, and we've got plenty of room down here. It's going to be cool. Well, the weather's certainly improved. I'm back down here, and we come down here a little bit so you can see what where we are at the moment. There she blows. It's a beautiful day down here in Southampton. A little bit windy, but that's nice. The sun's out. It's a gorgeous day. was in my first lock, well, in England anyway, like this, going into refill down in Hythe Marina. It's beautiful down here. Let's have a lovely little sailing yachts behind us. Wind's blowing out there. It's been a good morning so far.